Hey guys, so the other day in my part one of my robot tutorial, I mentioned 3D printing. I wasn't very excited about it, but I must say, it's exciting. A couple days ago, I had an idea. Yesterday, well, up to this morning, I had a design on a program on the computer. Now, I have these real parts for my robot. Look at this. Real parts. From nothing, just an idea. So, let's take a look at this. So these are my parts. They're motor brackets. I'm gonna put these up on like GitHub or something. I don't know, I might just use Dropbox. We'll see. So this one still has the raft on it. When you 3D print something, it'll print this raft. It's a layer of material that's not perfectly stuck. Excuse me. That's not perfectly stuck to the rest of your piece. Notice I did the different size holes. So what that raft does is it levels your piece. So if the bed of the 3D printer isn't perfectly level, the top of your raft will be, so your piece can still be straight. Let's go ahead and rip this raft off. So let's go ahead and rip this raft off. It's stuck on there pretty good, but it's not like the kind of bond you get between two layers. And you'll notice in some of the footage I'm going to add after this, it's a lot easier to rip these rafts off when the part is fresh off the bed. I'm actually having quite a bit of difficulty with this one. Oh, I maybe shouldn't have saved this. So, I think I'm gonna have to actually grab my hobby knife and get in under some of this. Wow, that other raft came off a lot easier. We'll come back. That actually took a lot of work. And about 5-10 minutes. Here's what's left of the raft. And there's the piece. So now we have two motor brackets. The bottoms are a little messy, but whatever. I watch a lot of Ben Heck. I watch his episodes every week when they come out. And one of the tips he gives for fixing up your 3D printed objects is crazy glue. Cyanoacrylate glue, just crazy glue, super glue, whatever. Comes under many different brand names. But so on this piece, I've gone ahead and just put a little bit along each of the edges there. And another thing he suggested in another video was acetone. So on this one I'm going to go ahead and try and brush some acetone in. I don't have any on hand at the moment, so I'm going to end up having to do that in like a future video, or I'll do a quick write-up and show my results with a few pictures or something, I don't know. So here's the brackets on the actual robot. They work great. They're nice and sturdy. pushing down there and they're not really flexing at all. I'm glad they're now finally on the bottom. As you can see, they're level with the caster almost. Before it was really tilted. The back end with the H-bridge was really low. So, yeah. Anyway, this has just been a quick look at 3D printing and 3D printed parts. So, like I said, I'll put the files up on, I don't know, maybe Dropbox, maybe I'll start a GitHub. I'll probably start a GitHub because I'm going to want to put the code up for part 2 of the robot video. So, anyone out there who has a 3D printer or has access to a 3D printer, maybe try and get a couple of these brackets made up before part 2 comes out, and you can follow along. Have a good one, guys.